We're on live TV. Sorry, what is going on, guys? I'm I'm back again with another Scooby Pack opening. That's right, it's been a while. I'm back with a Scooby Pack opening. I haven't posted in a week, so sorry about that. But anyways, we got a special edition Scooby Pack opening. Let's do it. Shut up. Okay. What will be first? Starting off with the Cemetery Solution Scooby. Not bad. Not bad at all. I will take it. Next up, Daphne takes the ball. Let's go. Let's go. Second Cemetery Solution Scooby. We got a Saggy. Let's go. Not bad at all. Another Daphne. Let's go. Tastiest of all. Let's go. We got a Velma. Let's go. Scooby Rainbow, maybe? Might happen. A third Daphne! Not bad at all. I will take it. A fourth Daphne! What? 4 Daphnes? And a second Velma. I think that's it. Oh my gosh. This has been an insane Scooby Pack opening. 2 Velmas, 2 Scoobies, a Shaggy, and 4 Daphnes. 4 Daphnes, my dude. This has been... His sponsor is Welch's. Well, that Velma's dead. You know, cafeteria floors. Anyways, I'm SCOOBY9, and be sure to subscribe for not really daily Scooby Pack openings. See you later.